we're going to write that down. Okay, determination. Yes, are we writing? One by one, yes. Hard work. We have commitment, we have determination, we have hard work. Positive attitude. Vision. One by one, 1 minute. Let me get them all. Very good. Fearless. Dedication. Pardon? Aggression. Okay. Aggressive, right? So we don't call it aggression, we call it proactivity. Okay, that's proactiveness. Yes, what will desire? Very good. Self-confidence. Okay. Discipline. Great. Courage. Absolutely. And willpower. Okay. Want to succeed, wish to succeed. Yeah? Punctuality, yes. Am I on time? Soul, okay. And what did you say dear? Talent. Time management, we can couple it with, yes, okay, with discipline. Self-discipline and time management is almost the same thing, right? Okay. Patience. Okay. Sacrifice. Okay, we'll take that. Sacrifice. What else? They did not fear failure. Right? Okay, so I think we've covered most of it. And I'm going to request my volunteer, what's your name dear? Manoj. I am going to request Manoj to make copies of this and distribute this to you later on after the day is over for all of you. Now we're going to do, I'm going to keep asking you and you keep saying yes or no. Right? All together. So what is the first one?
Commitment.
Are you committed people? Are you committed people, each one of you?
Yes.
You have commitment?
Yes.
Okay. The next one. Do you have determination in you?
Yes.
How much? यार नींद आ रही? Little bit आ रही है ना? खड़े होके करें वर्कशॉप में तो खड़ी. We'll make you run around. Are you determined people? Yes. Yes. थोड़ी सी एनर्जी ले आओ यार. मैं अकेले के लिए क्या करूँगी? Okay. Are you hardworking? Yes. Are you positive people? Yes. Yeah, I agree to that. All of you are positive. Yes. Do you all have a vision? Yes. Don't just say yes, yes. क्या vision है बताओ? What is your vision? Tell me. Let me have some 1 or 2 examples of vision. Television. Okay, ठीक है तब बड़ा ही बढ़िया है. Now, see, guys and girls. Guys and girls, these are the qualities which don't cost any money, right? These are the qualities which you have told me, I have not told you. They're your ideas. These are the qualities which are available with you, inside of you. These are the qualities you cannot buy from the shops, but you have a free access to them. Yeah? So do they give up? Did you give up when you were a baby? No, no? That's why you're standing today as a director of your life. If you fail in something, fail miserably in something, okay, sit down and cry. इतना कुछ किया, फेल हो गए, चल कोई नहीं. उसके बाद 2 दिन रो लिया ना, तीसरे दिन बोर होके खड़े हो जाओ कि आप कुछ और ढूंढे फिर उसको करें. Right? The people who have today succeeded, and this woman who is standing here in front of you failed every day of her life, and probably she's still failing and they're still failing. But why they have become famous, why they are successful people, is that they don't sit down at home and say कि आज के बाद हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. 10,000 times Edison was the bulb guy, na, the light guy.
Thomas.
Yeah. 10,000 times he did that experiment. He tried 10,000 times, he failed. If he didn't try the 10,001 time, we would have all been in the dark today. Can you imagine? So now they say he try करके देखना, because that's your privilege, okay? But depression से ना पाओ, because depression is just a fashionable word. The thing is, depression से पै गए, गम गलत कर लिया, नाली से डिग गए, सवेरे उठ के नहा धो के please go back to work, okay? That is persistence. क्या persistence है? एक बार और repeat कर देते हैं. Depression होया, कुड़ी ने नहीं तकिया, दारू पी के लुढ़कना नाली में, सवेरे उठ के जब होश आए तो गंदगी दिखे तो जाके नहा धो के रेडी हो जाओ कि कल फिर ट्राई मारेंगे यार अब दूसरे अच्छा है नहीं देख रही वो देख लेगी गर्ल्स इट्स द सेम फॉर यू ओके दीस गाइस अब थोड़ा मेजॉरिटी में ज्यादा है ना तुमको उनका साइड लेना पड़ रहा है मैंने मरना थोड़ी है सो व्हाट हैव वी लर्न फेलियर आप सबने एप्लीकेशन दे डाली है अब हमारे HR असिस्टेंट विल चूज द पीपल एक एक करके और उसकी इंटरव्यू ली जाएगी यहाँ पे राइट रेडी सो यू नो योर रोल्स गर्ल्स आई वांट योर नेम्स आल्सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ ओके कम यू विल ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्व्स फर्स्ट पर्सन बुलाइए उसको सिट डाउन कराइए मतलब please ask the person to sit down and the person who comes will introduce himself loudly come on stand in a semicircle right
Good afternoon everybody. Today there is an interview for program analyst and we have a candidate, so please give your introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone.
इंटरव्यू में वैसे तालियां नहीं बजेंगी इसलिए चुप हो जाओ
Thank you very much for the clapping, but I don't deserve that. Thanks once again.
ओके सब दरवाजे बंद मुंह के भी और कान के खुले देखे हाथ पीछे
I'm here in this company to give the interview for the problem analyst.
हाँ वेट नाउ तुम्हारे को बुलाऊंगी एक एक करके फिर देखिए मजा ओके नाउ
I've done my BTech from Babanda Singh Bahadur Engineering College in Computer Science Engineering. I'd scored 75% marks in my graduation. Probably I'm here for the program analyst. Hope so, I'll be selected.
So what are your strengths? Why should we take you?
Ma'am, I can canonize myself in any kind of situation, and I'm a very good team leader, and probably I can handle the team very well.
How can you prove you are a good team leader?
I'd organized the Tech Fest at my college at the national level, and I organized the reunion for the 2007 at my college, and at that time we were having the more than 1,000 alumni of the college, and at that time I was having a team of 35 members of my college only.
Tell me one quality which the other 300 sitting in this auditorium don't have, which you do.
Probably what I have, nobody else can have that thing. That's why I'm there on the stage.
Very good. Okay, thank you, my dear. Okay, we can call the next candidate now. Yes, please call the next candidate. And please keep the mic a little away from your mouth because otherwise it starts to jar. Come on, next one, please. Who is the next volunteer? See, it's giving you a good opportunity. This is a good opportunity for all of you to get over the interview fear. Come on. See, I would love to do it for all the 300 of you, but
Probably you're getting a chance which you'll be getting after the 3 years.
Yes.
Please come on.
come on, quickly.
Come on, बड़ा practical experience मिलेगा जो तो हम 3 साल बाद मिलेगा जाके किधर जाके.
Okay, just call somebody. Just don't. ऐसे तालियां बहुत प्यारी मारते हैं. Okay.
Then move to the center of the stage.
Very good.
So we have our next candidate on the stage. He will introduce himself to us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Indrajit Singh. I belong to Naba, which is a small town yet with a rich heritage. I have tried to maintain a balance in my academics as well as extracurricular activities performance. As far as my academics are concerned, I have got a percentage of 84% in my graduation. And talking about my extracurricular activities, I have presented the paper on the biometrics at the national level tech fest and won the first prize over there. I have been participating in the various debate and the various type of competitions. I have also organized the various events in my college during the tech fest and during the various national competitions. Thank you.
Good. Very good.
One thing I would like to tell you that first of all it is good afternoon, not good morning. And second thing, when you are there coming for an interview, never ever you put your hands in your pockets.
Very good. Good.
Good.
Very good. Very good. Good.
Thank
See,
you.
all of you keep your ears open, eyes open.
You performed the most of your co-curricular activities have been solo activities, not team activities. Now, if I were to put you under a person who would go for your throat on every single mistake you make, then what would you do? If I were to put you under a person, a team leader, who would try and slash your throat in every small mistake you make, then how will you handle that situation?
Actually, if you have listened to my introduction carefully, I have been organizing various events for my college, that is the Tech Fest, and those are the team events. Those are not the solo events. And in those events, like it was the paper presentation team, we were supposed to organize each and everything in a well-prepared, well-mannered, in a well-managed manner. And more than many colleges were coming, we were to organize each and everything and then to put each and everything under control. And if I will be given a chance to become a team leader, first of all, the thing which will be there, that rather than imposing myself onto each and everyone, I will be dividing work to all the candidates, to all the person who are in the team, including myself. I won't put myself at a higher level than them. I will be working along with them and try to make the event a success.
Good. Any more questions? Okay, the board will change. Thank you very much for this participant because we want more participation. Thank you. Anybody want now? Yes, the board has to be changed. Board members can go. पकड़ के ले आप पकड़ के. Now Karan is with us for the interview. Come on.
Now he will introduce himself.
Good evening, everyone. I am Karanveer from Mechanical Engineering, first year.
इंटरव्यू में चढ़ोगे फिर मजा आएगा.
Well, I wasn't prepared for all this, and I'm very nervous at this time. I'm seeing all of the faces of my friends. They are trying to tease me.
So that's very good. Now you're getting over your pride. This is an opportunity for you. We'll need your
Well,
friends.
since morning I've been here and I've been listening to ma'am.
Why are you here? What is it? Expert comments from the side from ma'am. Why are you here for the interview? You want a job or you just come to time pass? Yes, dear Karan.